Hi, I'm Bri with Rego Fabrication. Today I want to share with you one of our newest products, our high lift jack mount, which allows you to mount your MaxTrax on your high lift jack. I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove. So, undo all 4 pins, take your MaxTrax off, whether you're using them or just setting them to the side, and in the case that you need your high lift jack, you can use our tool that we provide you to take your wing nuts off. Okay, now let's talk about our mounting options. So if you have a roof rack, you can mount your high lift jack. If you have the mounts in the bed of your truck, you can mount your high lift jack. If you have the bed rack, you can mount your high lift jack. If you have a Jeep with a high lift jack, you can mount it there too. You can virtually mount this mount anywhere. You can find the high lift jack MaxTrax mount at regofabrication.com.